we're going to set up that camp. Is going to go down and set up in Ariel. And we're going to set up another camp down in the valley of Achor. According to the scripture, it says that the people that sought me, or those brothers that came up to seek the Most High and they want to live in the land, we're going to set up a camp for them in the valley of Achor. So we're going to attempt to have 3 camps here. This camp right now is under attack. And I'm going to go off into the further, because this place here was for the place for me to call people to Zion. You follow me, saying? But the camp that the Most High make mention of, the place that the people are supposed to come to, this ain't the place where the people are supposed to come. Hear me loud and clear. This ain't the place. And when people start coming here, the signs just yesterday, you understand, the signs just yesterday, as we was discussing in Zion, I had a high court case before the high court in Israel, and they made the statement, and they sent police back here just yesterday to say that they would not recognize me claiming all the land. And that happened yesterday, and we have videotapes that bear witness to that. And that evening, we had a what? A blood moon.
Blood moon.
See, these people are sitting back looking at what they think things about. I'm claiming that blood moon for the attack they put in saying that they would not give the land of Israel to the son of Israel. And they put in saying that they would not give the land of Israel to the son of Israel. And I proved that in the high court of the Supreme Court of Israel. And that very day, as we was in Zion, and as I was speaking to this sister, a videotape, they came to these gates and told my brothers that we don't supposed to be here anymore.
That's right.
You see. So that very night was a blood moon. You see. So these people claiming theirs, we claiming ours. You follow what I'm saying? And we're going to continue to go on, and now we're going to go before the Most High, and we're going to pray. And the scripture talks about that blood means, and these blood moons was going to be a sign before the what? Before the coming of the Lord. Before the great and terrible day of the Lord. So when they came up here, when the Israeli government decided to tell us that they wasn't give us back our land, because I didn't claim that land for myself. I claimed it for all of Israel.
Right.
And when they made the statement that they got the first sign from the Most High, I didn't pick that date. I didn't know that date was going on.
Right.
I had no idea about anything that was going to happen on this day.
Let me explain that. Yesterday, we out here doing our usually duty, shower and everything, and the authorities came up here and was stopping. They've been going on, every day. Well, anyway, they came up and was like, and they told me that we're not supposed to be here, that it was eviction notice. So, of course, they asked some questions and stuff like that. But we played dumb, but we didn't lie to them. And the truth is that, we know that the brother lost us. You know what I'm saying? But they haven't given us a proper notice according to their law. So Most High willed, we didn't even know the blood moon was going to come out last night, but it did. And that was another deep thing, the whole situation about it. So you can see the power of the Most High resting upon us. You know what I mean? You can see the blessings going out upon those who are coming and those who are really believing in this movement. The Most High is not joking around. This is happening because of what we're doing. And I know a lot of people don't believe that, but it's true. It's real.
Well, let me jump in. See,
by them offering you a package to leave, indirectly says this is yours. So, in a law, they've already acknowledged that this is yours, but we want to buy it from you.
Well,
you
see,
refused.
Let me make a statement. Okay, now, this area here, and I'm going to show you all the detailed map of all the land that actually this area possesses. This area here is mine. And then, in Israel, if you go somewhere for 7 years, this is right on the border zone. This is border between Palestinians and Israel, right here. And this area here, when I first came up here, I was the only one up here, and I claimed it. You follow me? And it was people, Jewish people up here dying. This brother can tell you. They don't come up here, do they, brother? Nobody comes up in these mountains. This is some of the dangers. This is some of the most dangerous. This is the Palestinian state right here. People don't come up in the mountains. Jewish people and our people are afraid to come up in here. You follow me? So I'm from Chicago. You understand what I'm saying? I ain't afraid of nothing. You get my point? You understand what I'm saying? So the thing is, so I said to her, point me to the toughest place in the land. You know what I'm saying? And I came up in here, the toughest place of the land, and I found me a place. You follow me? And my wife can tell you, we had people breaking in there and stealing stuff and breaking in there. And I saw he used to steal stuff. I used to sit here and wait for them at night, and the thieves to come up here and attack me at night. And I made more money off the thieves than anything. I didn't know thieves had so much money breaking in. I got rich off the thieves. Yeah, I caught the thieves and jacked them. Who they gonna go to? The police?
Oh.
You see? So the point is, they broke on my property.
Wow.
Oh, that's deep, ain't it? So, but then they did something real stupid. They stopped breaking in. I went broke there. I went broke. I thought it was broke. That's the story. Anyway, so the point is, you brought it up, brother. They do acknowledge this, but they told me in court, and the judge pulled everybody out, and she said to me, "I tell you what I do." She said, you have a landmark case in Israel. She said, nobody in the land has ever claimed all the land of Israel in the Jubilee year. Nobody's ever done it. This is a landmark case. I got a Jewish religious lawyer and a Palestinian lawyer. I can introduce them to you guys while you're here. And they said to me it's a landmark case. You understand my point? So what ends up happening is that when I went before the Supreme Court judge, which is a woman here in Israel, she told me, and she cleared the case. She said, okay, let's off the record. She said, we're not going to give you the land of Israel. We're not going to give it to you. She said, so you got an option. You can leave out of here right now today. You don't have to pay no fees. You can have your farm. You follow me? You can have your farm, but we're not going to give you the land. I said to her, and then after that, the people in the village up here, as you see, because these people wasn't here first. After I claimed the land, then they appointed, because this was all no man's land. After that, they appointed an administrator for this area, and then he was the one that actually started the court thing. So they came to me and they offered me $1 million for the farm. You follow me?
How can they give you something that you already have?
Well, see, I told them this land is not mine. I said the land of the Most High God belongs to God. You know what I'm saying? This land is God's land. You get the point that I'm trying to say to you? But they recognize my authority in this land to make me that offer. You get the point that I'm saying? So they wanted to settle with me out of court. I said, no, I can't do that. I said, because the purpose of this court case is not for me to get this farm. The purpose of this court case is to acknowledge that all the land of Israel belongs to the children of Israel. And see, so where this court case is going right now is that it then went to the Supreme Court of Israel. Now it's supposed to be going to the World Court. And because what happened, if you guys stay out to the Holy Day, I'm going to take you up north, or during the Holy Days, I'm going to take you all the way up north, and I'm going to show you, all you guys that have seen this, there's a Bet Knesset up north with an actual picture of Abraham. Have you guys seen that video? Actual picture. It's the oldest picture of Abraham in Israel. They found it in 1927. And there's an actual picture of Abraham, and he looked just like this brother right here.
With or without the glass?
I think with the glass. I think with the glass. He looked just like that brother right there. You follow what I'm saying?
Yeah, we got to see you.
Is that, so the thing I'm saying to you, and he looked like this brother here, you know, in that area. You get the point?
Right.
You see, so the point is, I got a videotape, so you guys can go online and look at the videotape. Anyway, so I challenged them, and I challenged them with this picture, and I showed them that the man that had this land, the son of Abraham, is my color. You follow me? So they know who the people are of the Most High God. They know, and they know, but they saying that they have the land. I didn't claim the land. So now the next thing with this court case is to take it to the World Court. You follow me? We're taking it to the World Court because the World Court gave the Jewish people this land
1948.
because they thought that they was us.
Yes.
So now I'm going to go to the World Court and take my case out of Israel and take it to the people that gave them the land. So whatever happens here is of no significance. You get the point I'm saying?
Yeah.
The fact is that we are becoming men. If you look at the videotape when I was young and 20, I was blowing a horn out on the street when I was that brother's age. I was in the bullhorn, and I was out in the street talking to the Christians about Christmas, Easter, and Halloween. So when I was a young man, I spake as a young man. I did things like a young man. But when I became an elder, I put away childish ways. You follow me? So I'm not sitting on YouTube. I'm not sitting around trying to convince nobody anything. I'm taking the court I'm doing what men do. I'm taking it to the court system, and we fighting this thing in court as men do, and after whatever happened in court, the Most High is going to judge Israel, and the Most High is going to judge the world. You see? Yes, sister.
Do you have a prospective court date, like in a time frame or a year?
Okay.
I mean, I know these things take a long time.
The high court case has already taken place. My game plan was that I talked to Rabbi Simon, and he has a lawyer that was supposed to be coming here to talk to me about that case. His lawyer got with me, and he told me that he was going to meet with me in May. That was just past May. You hear me? He came here. He went to Dimona. You follow me? He went to Dimona, and he spoke to those brothers, and he never met back with me. And Rabbi Simon reached out to me and said to me, well, brother, you're very radical, and what you're doing is radical. You follow me? We need to be peacemakers. We need to try to make peace. So in other words, he tried to make me make concessions. Yes. I'm not here to make concessions.
That's right.
Our people in Dimona, I call them the good cops. They are in bed with the Jewish people. You follow me? They're making agreements with them. You follow me? They're making concessions with them. I'm not here to make concessions. I did not come to the land of Israel to live in the land of Israel. The Most High kept me here. I'm not telling you guys to come here and live in the land of Israel. I'm telling you here to come and make pilgrimage.
That's right.
And when the Most High power bring you home, then all the nations are going to know that you are the children of the Most High God, and you're going to be brought to the land of Israel in power and in great authority. You follow me? So what's happening here, so Rabbi Simon, he was the one, he made a concession, but as soon as that case was over, his 3 lawyers, or the lawyers, supposed to jumped in, you follow me? To do the necessary legal work to take this case to the world court, and that would have freezed whatever was going on here in Israel with the cops. You get the point? The cops would have never came to the gates, because that would have freezed it. You follow me? So now, because that case haven't been put forward, because there's no princes in Israel that have stood up, and this is the only princes that have stood up, but their agenda has been for the holy days. Your agenda is the holy days. You follow me? But the brothers that come up here, because I'm a nationalist. I'm not a religious person. I'm a nationalist. I'm fighting for Israel, and I'm fighting for our land and our name as a nation. That flag that you see Kenyans hanging around, that's not a religious flag. That's a national flag, and that's claiming the land. So all the brothers that wants to come up here and claim the land as a nation of Israel, come up here and stand with me. Come and sit here with me, because as the brother Kenya said, he said, I lost the place. I ain't lost nothing. You understand what I'm saying? Because this is the Most High land. They say that they ain't recognizing my claim here. You see, so we moving these tits down.
They don't have authority.
They don't have authority to tell me anything. So they can come in here and they can put me out of here, but this land will still be mine. You follow me? They can put me in jail. I can become a political prisoner, but this land will still be mine. You understand what I'm saying? And all I got to say to you guys now, if the camp fall, if this camp do fall, all I want you guys to think about is the Alamo. And you guys heard about the Alamo, right?
We're going to pick up that flag.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If the Alamo falls, then all I got to say is remember the Alamo. Remember the camp.
These lawyers, Simon, are they with you or?
Well, see, that's my point. See, they got with my brothers in Dimona, and they made concessions. And they said, well, the thing is to do now is make concessions. No, I'm not. I'm bad cop. Our people in Dimona, they playing good cop. I'm bad cop. You follow what I'm saying? And I'm here to claim the land of Israel for the children of Israel, in order for the children of Israel can come back to the land of Israel, because this is the land of Israel. So they have made concessions. So what I'm doing right now in this video, all of the brothers that are lawyers, all of the princes that want to fund this case to the world court, come forth now.
That's right.
I don't mean tomorrow. I don't mean next week. I mean come forth now and put your, as these princes have done to fund this holy day and to move this thing, come forth now and put your money where your mouth is. Because these brothers can't do it all in themselves. Come forth now and put your money where your mouth is, and let's fight this battle in court. And let the Most High judge the world in the world court for not recognizing us as his people. And the Most High is going to judge Israel and this land here right now for making me, if they come in these gates, the Most High will judge them. And everything they take out of these gates will be a cursed object throughout the land. And it will bring a curse throughout the land. They won't be able to burn it. If they burn the objects in here, it will be a curse unto them. Because it's going to be ashes it's going to burn with. If they throw one of the pieces of object they take out of the way, it's going to be a plague unto them. So either way, I'm in a win situation, because how could you fight against the servant of the Most High God and win? Hallelujah. Peace. Let's get to work, guys.